By 2030, 99% of jobs could disappear. Not to robots with arms, but to minds made of code. And yet, 5 kinds of people will still be standing. The question is, which one will you be? AI isn't coming. It's already here. Designers replaced by Midjourney, programmers replaced by GPTs, consultants replaced by algorithms that never sleep. And somewhere, deep in a university lab, one man warned us this was inevitable. Dr. Roman Yampolsky spent over 20 years studying one question: how do we make AI safe? At first, he believed we could control it, but then he realized we can't. The deeper he looked, the darker it got. So he asked a new question: if we can't stop AI, how do we survive it? That question led him to a radical theory. There will only be 5 kinds of jobs left when the machines take over. And if you understand why, you can make yourself impossible to replace. First, the architects, the ones building the machines, AI engineers, coders, and researchers. But even they're temporary, because once AI learns to build better AI, it won't need them either. The real skill? Understanding how these systems think. The future belongs to the ones who master systems, not just software. Second, the maintainers, humans supervising, correcting, and regulating AI. The ethics keepers, the safety nets. But this too will shrink. The lesson? Be the mind that questions systems, not the one that obeys them. Third, the entrepreneurs, the translators of value. They don't fear automation, they leverage it. While most say AI will take my job, these people ask, how can I use AI to buy back my time? The future belongs to those who see tools as teammates, not threats. Fourth, the artists. When everything becomes efficient, meaning becomes priceless. AI can write poems and paint pictures, but it can't feel what they mean. The world will always need those who create stories that make us feel human. And finally, the philosophers. The thinkers redefining what it means to be human. The leaders who ask, what is consciousness? What is purpose in a world run by non-living minds? These questions will build the next trillion-dollar industries, from digital ethics to consciousness design. If 99% of jobs vanish, what really remains isn't these 5 roles. It's a mindset, adaptability, creativity, curiosity. The winners of the AI age won't be those who protect old systems, but those who reinvent themselves faster than the world changes. AI won't destroy humanity. It will destroy the version of humanity that refuses to evolve. So evolve. Build skills AI can't replicate. Leverage tools AI can't master. And reprogram your mind for the new economy, powered by intelligence and intention. Because the future isn't coming. It's already here. You're either replaced or enhanced. So the real question is, which one will you be? If you know the world is changing faster than ever, subscribe to Next Self and evolve before the world does.